Yesterday, Samsung released its Q2 earnings report and held an earnings call where company executives confirmed the existence of the Exynos 2500 and discussed upgrades for the upcoming Galaxy S25 series. They mentioned that Samsung is planning top-of-the-line upgrades for the camera and display specifications in the S25 series, areas where they have been leading. Additionally, Samsung is preparing industry-leading application processors and memory to enhance AI performance and deliver a premium experience. However, it was unclear whether these upgrades apply to the entire Galaxy S25 series or just the Ultra model. It is indicated that the Galaxy S25 Ultra may feature a 50-megapixel 3x camera and a 50-megapixel ultrawide lens, upgrades from the 10-megapixel and 12-megapixel cameras on the S24 Ultra. These improvements would complement the new 50-megapixel 5x periscope camera. There are also rumors that the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus will not receive similar camera upgrades. Regarding application processors, some Galaxy S25 units will feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, while others may include the Exynos 2500 if Samsung's Foundry can improve yields sufficiently. The S25 Ultra is expected to come with 16 gigs of RAM. The smaller Galaxy S25 might feature a larger 6.36-inch display compared to the 6.2-inch and 6.1-inch screens on the previous two generations. Details about the displays remain limited, but there is hope that the Standard and Plus models will also benefit from the S24 Ultra's Gorilla Glass armor, which significantly reduces reflections. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, remember to give a like to the video and subscribe to the channel, and I see you in the next video. Peace out.